ladies. Okay, so the reason that I am in bed is because we went for our scan and everything was fine, but I think I have a sickness and diarrhea bug. I've been throwing up all night and I feel so dreadful. It kind of tailed off a bit and I started to feel better. I had a bath and I felt better, so we went to the hospital, and to begin with I put it down to, you know, like just morning sickness, right? Because there's been occasions where I've just been throwing up, because obviously if I thought I had a bug I wouldn't have gone to the hospital, right? So anyway, we got there and it wasn't very busy. There was like 3 other girls in there and we were all like quite spaced apart around the room. And anyway, we had our scan and I won't tell you what we think we're having, but I will let you guess. So there's the little nub there. So that little white line there is the nub. Super straight. Little leggies. We are so excited though, so please leave comments down below of what you think we're having. Obviously a healthy baby is the most important thing, and people are asking me if we'll have a 16-week gender scan. Now I've actually been put at 13 weeks, so if we do, it's only 3 weeks away, so that's really exciting. But it's going to cost about £75, so I think I might ask husband and see what he thinks. But yeah, so I'm not feeling very well at the moment. I'm feeling a little bit brighter now, but I haven't been feeling very well at all. As we were getting out of the car, ready to walk to the hospital, Matt's phone went off, and it was the school to say that Harry had been throwing up at school. And so then he had to quickly ring his mum. We literally had like 10 minutes to get like from the car park over to the hospital. And yeah, so literally we had to like quickly ring Matt's mum. Lucky she was free and she went and picked him up and everything was fine. But then as soon as he got home he threw up, and she's like washing the blankets and stuff downstairs. But yeah, everything's really good with the baby. The fluid on the back of the baby's neck was really small, which is good. I had some blood taken, and along with the scan and the blood results, they will give me like a 1 in 100 or 1 in 10,000 chance of having I can't pronounce it, Patu, Downs or Turner syndrome. And the last time that I had that done, I'm pretty sure it was only for Downs that they tested, but anyway, so I'm waiting for the results on that. If I hear within a week with a phone call, then that means it's like quite a high chance, and if not, then I just wait for a letter to come through. So fingers crossed that everything's okay. But yeah, we are super happy, and I wish I was feeling better, but I'm not, and I couldn't even like film anything like as we were going there or coming home, and it was just like, oh my god. So I won't be going to work on Friday. I think I just need to rest and drink lots of sips of water. But every time I eat anything it just makes me feel sick, and I think my body's just like trying to flush out the bug. I mean, I think that's what I've got. I don't know if I do or not, but we'll see. It's a bit of a coincidence though that like Harry's got the same thing, right? So, but yeah, my little baby. I hope you enjoy this video. I wish I was feeling better, guys, but it's actually disastrous. But I will edit this in a little bit. I'm going to try and have a little nap, and I'll edit this, and then I will upload it, and then hopefully tonight you'll be able to see it. So please let me know what you think in the description of the nub. They say if it's like an angle like this, then it's a boy. If it's straight like that, it's a girl. And girls tend to have like a really white crisp line. But yeah, so we'll see, guys, we'll see. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, subscribe to me for free and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.